Welcome back to this video. In this quick tutorial, I will show you on how to change language on Facebook. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topics. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change language in Facebook step-by-step tutorial. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook account. Now, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to language. So it takes you right here. So you can from here select any language you want to change to. If you want to change to another language, maybe Espanol, then it's automatically changed. So you can see this Facebook has automatically changed to Espanol. We want to change back to English language. We click on here, we scroll down, settings, then language right here. Then I switch back to my device language. Boom. So it automatically switch back to my device language. So basically, this is how you can change your Facebook language without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.